guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an amazing day so far. Today I'm going to be making squishies filled with slime. So I'm going to make a donut squishy filled with jelly slime, and then I'm also going to make a bubble tea squishy filled with slime. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. If you do enjoy it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be so awesome. In case you guys missed out, I am doing challenges on my second channel. For now, I am doing more slime challenges because those are like a lot of fun to film, but I will definitely be doing other kinds of challenges. So if you guys would like to watch even more videos, you can check it out. I will have a link down below for my second channel. And yeah, I think that's all I had to say. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. The first thing that I'm going to show you how to make is the bubble tea squishy. For this, you're going to need memory foam. I bought a memory foam pillow from Walmart, so if you just search on the website memory foam, you should be able to find a mattress or any kind of a pillow. So you want to take a pretty large piece of the memory foam. Then I just took a round cap that I have, you can use any object, and I traced that out. Then I went ahead with my pair of scissors and I'm going to start cutting. I first cut out the circle that we made, and then I'm going to start cutting the actual foam into a cylinder-like shape. But as you start getting the cylinder-like shape, you do want to kind of narrow it down from the bottom so that it actually looks like a cup. At this point, I kind of felt like my cup was a bit too large, so I just cut the bottom, and this is how it should look like. Then I'm going to take a cookie cutter, you could use any round object, and I'm going to trace that out. You want to kind of poke your scissor through the foam and start cutting out that circle shape. Once you're done cutting the circle, the foam should pop out like so. So you just want to cut that off, and then you want to repeat that again so that you actually get this cup that you can fill up with slime. Once you're done cutting, this is how it should look like. Now to give it color, I'm going to use fabric paint. I'm using the brand Scribbles. To get the shade of green, I took a lot of white and mixed in some yellow and green. Normally, I always do pink, so this time around, I thought I would do green to kind of change things up a little bit. Then I went ahead with some brown, and I'm going to make these circles at the bottom. For the final touch, I am going to add in a cute laughing face. By the way, if you guys enjoy watching squishy videos, I do have a couple of videos on my second channel. So sometimes I'll do squishy videos on there if I'm doing something simple. Now that we have our squishy, I'm going to move on to the slime. So for this slime recipe, I'm not going to be using glue. You could of course use glue if you would like to. I am using a peel-off face mask, and you want to make sure that it contains the ingredient polyvinyl alcohol in it. Then I'm going to add in shaving cream. I didn't really measure this out. You just want to add in a pretty good amount of it. To give it color, I am going to use some food coloring. I added a few drops of green and yellow, and I'm going to mix that all in. Now to actually turn this into slime, I'm going to use baking soda. I used 1 teaspoon. After giving that a good mix, I'm going to add in contact solution. You want to keep adding in contact solution until it turns into slime and it's not sticking onto your skin. And here is your completed squishy filled with slime. Now I'm going to show you how to make a donut squishy filled with slime. I have my piece of memory foam here, and I'm going to trace out a circle. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut that out. You do want to make sure that you have a thick piece so that you're able to really get a thick donut, because we are going to fill this with slime. This is how the donut should look like. Now you want to take your pair of scissors and start cutting it from the top. This is kind of hard to explain, but you can just poke in your scissors and kind of cut it from the inside just to have a little bit of an opening. Now to give it color, you're going to need fabric paint. I took a lot of white, a little bit of yellow, and a teeny tiny bit of brown. Mix that all in, and now I'm going to start painting the donut. I am wearing a pair of gloves so that I'm able to really blend in the color. Using pink, I'm going to add on the icing. You will need to do about 2 coats to really get a nice finish. And this donut would not be complete without the sprinkles, so I'm going in with a dark pink, yellow, green, blue, purple, and white. Now that we have our donut, I am going to make the jelly slime. So again, for this one, I am using a peel-off face mask. Then I'm going to add in a few drops of red food coloring, give that a good mix. And the final step is to turn this into slime. So I'm going to be adding in baking soda and contact solution. So now that we have our jelly slime, I went ahead and I filled up the donut with the jelly, and there is your completed donut squishy filled with slime. That is it for today's video. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next one.